But what if I told you that cast iron cookware is nearly indestructible? That with just a little care, it could last not one lifetime, but generations. The problem is, most people treat cast iron like any other pan, and that's the biggest mistake. One wrong move, a soak, a scrub, a dishwasher cycle, and the seasoning's gone. The magic disappears. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to clean and season your cast iron cookware properly, so it not only survives, it thrives. If you've ever wondered whether your cast iron is dead or just waiting to be revived, like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and let's bring your pan back to life. Why cast iron is different and special. Cast iron isn't just another cooking surface. It's a living, breathing piece of your kitchen. It retains heat like nothing else. It adds flavor over time. And yes, it can outlive you if you treat it right. But unlike stainless steel or nonstick pans, cast iron doesn't forgive neglect. It doesn't like soap, it hates water, and it needs love in the form of oil and heat. Once you understand that this pan is part metal, part tradition, you'll start to see it differently. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about restoring a legacy. Step 1. Cleaning. Don't panic if it looks bad. Let's say you've just cooked something, maybe steak or eggs, and now your pan is a mess. There's blackened residue, maybe a little rust. Maybe it looks like something out of a horror movie. Don't worry, this is where the magic starts. First, while the pan is still warm, not hot, wipe out the excess food with a paper towel or a soft cloth. Don't use soap. Never soak it. If it needs a deeper clean, sprinkle some coarse kosher salt into the pan. Add a bit of warm water and scrub gently with a non-metal brush or sponge. The salt acts like a natural abrasive, lifting grime without stripping the seasoning. And what if it's already rusted? That's okay too. Rust is not the end. We'll fix that in the seasoning step. Step 2. Dry it immediately or regret it later. Once the pan is clean, this next step is critical. Dry it immediately and thoroughly. Don't let it air dry. That's how rust sneaks in. Place it on a stove burner and turn the heat to low. Let it warm up for a few minutes until every drop of moisture evaporates. Remember, cast iron and water are enemies. You want the surface to be bone dry before you even think about oiling it. If your pan is completely raw, rusty, or flaky, you might need to season it more than once. In fact, repeating the oil and bake cycle 3 to 4 times can bring even the roughest cast iron back to life. Each layer adds strength. Each layer adds protection. And soon, that dull surface becomes jet black, smooth, and gleaming, like armor. Why this ritual is about more than cooking. There's something almost meditative about caring for cast iron. The process of wiping, heating, oiling, it's not just maintenance, it's a ritual. In a world of fast food, plastic pans, and throwaway culture, cast iron is the opposite. It rewards patience. It remembers your meals. It connects you to generations who cooked before you, and those who will cook after. It's not just cookware, it's a story. And when you clean and season it, you're not just restoring metal, you're honoring that story. What not to do, please don't. Let's quickly talk about what you should never do with cast iron. Never put it in the dishwasher, never leave it soaking in water, never use soap aggressively. A tiny drop is okay occasionally. Never store it while it's still damp. Never skip the oiling step after cleaning. If you treat cast iron like nonstick, you'll kill it. But if you treat it like a legacy, it will reward you. Quick recap: the cast iron care formula. Clean with salt and a soft brush. Dry immediately and completely. Oil lightly, then heat to bond the layer. Repeat seasoning for restoration. Use it often. Cast iron loves use. That's it. That's the formula. Not complicated, just consistent. If you made it this far, you're probably holding onto a pan right now, wondering if it can be saved. Trust me, it can. And once you bring it back, you'll love cooking with it more than any expensive nonstick set. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more simple, powerful lifestyle guides. And in the comments, tell me, what's the oldest cast iron pan you've seen? Was it your grandmother's? Your own first one? Click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. Bonus: you'll also get access to our free community made for women. Let's keep the legacy going, one seasoning at a time.